In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Ford F-150 located at the base of the windshield. Now we're going to go ahead and follow the arm up. And this here has a pinch tip on it. It has a little arrow on the head of it. You're going to pinch and lift up. Now when you lift up on this, you're going to be able to take the wiper blade itself and push it down the wiper arm. And then you can swing that out. Now you don't want to let this arm slap down. It is spring loaded. You can break your windshield, so gently set that down. I'm going to open up the locking mechanism here. Lift up the wiper arm, slide that inside, and you want to hook this little J hook onto the bracket on the wiper arm itself. Once it lines up, you're going to pull that forward, and you're going to feel it click in a position, and then it presses down and lock it in. You can hear it and feel it click. You want to repeat this process for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.